Hello friends, welcome back. I made this little mini journal. I think it's 4 by 5. This one says autumn, but it's kind of like a nature journal perhaps, and I made a little tiny tassel from the things I had. So let's look inside. First page has a coffee stand again, and fabric and scrapbook paper. Over here I stamped the flower, added a bird, and behind the bird is a file folder pull out tag. Then I found a donkey. I said he had to go in here. A little bit of lace. Paper cluster from leftovers. A lamb, of course. The butterfly with the shiny pots from the Dollar Tree. A little girl. And I think the pages are from a bridge book that I had found. Chicken and the fox, of course, right? You have to watch out for him. So, sunflowers I stamped, and I added a journaling card, and here's a glued down tag. Fabric. This is a paper clip, and it does have a pull out. You can also journal on there. More space here, a little tuck. A trim. I have still some of it, so I'm using it up. Here's the rabbit. Die cut. What is it called? The offcuts, I believe. It does have another 5-folder tag. It's green in color. Here a flip. Coffee dyed envelope. Yeah, this came off, but this can go back. It's a little tag. And then inside the window, there's a tuck here, but it's nothing in. So moving on to the geese. Let's see. Not sure. Yeah, it does pull out. So this is where nature happens. By the water and by the plants. The animals like to gather there too. Washi tape. It's that roll we have where we punch our letters or can't think of it. Alphabet symbols. I'm sorry, I cannot think right now. Here's a little tiny envelope I made with our stamp on it, USA. I thought this turned out cute. I used the circle. And then this is a tricky page. I tightened it just for aggravation, I guess. So for the person who's not supposed to be in here, that's their aggravation. I used a calendar page, learning a new word. And yeah, goes back up there. Found a stork. Let's see. There's this. Here you can see some of the symbols from the bridge book. This is all inside from an envelope. Here's a little tuck. Oh, if it's good, I don't have to turn the journal around. It's actually in full frame. Look, this is a long tag. Yeah, it does have a double-sided print. Look at all the birds. They're hungry. They're waiting for Mama to feed them. And there's the letter K. This is a nice place for journaling. Inside I put raffia, glued it down, and some thread pieces. Here this pulls out. He too, he's all curled up. Here's that Mama and baby fox picture. Memory lane, time. Some roses in black and white and coffee stained. Has a pull out. And a pull out can be pulled out here too. Washi tape, nature pictures. Here's a tuck under, and you see the writing notepad piece. Again, I used the dryer sheet over the scrapbook paper. I like this effect, and two plain little journaling cards. Great page. Not much printing on, so is here. And it does have a description about what they do, these beavers. Here's two little bugs stamped on something like a encyclopedia or dictionary. Right here, script, the bird family. Tuck for something. There's a journaling spot with music sheet, a rose, and a stencil for sun, and put washi tape down. Again, Mother Nature here. Here's a pull out. Belly side belly band. Great for journaling. Here's the farmhouse or the barn, and I put a little bit of a Atlas coffee stain, oxy stain to it to find direction how to get to this place way out in the country. That was my idea. So another tuck out here. Mixed media around here with these tags. So on a book page, behind a book page, here's another file folder tab. Pull out, and the cat, a key, and a little note card with an envelope. Says thank you. A feather again. Wolves. Another envelope, but I rounded this one here a bit and gave it some grunge. I made this pocket from book page. Life is an adventure. And then found this. It's on a thick cut stock. Wait. Here's the mushroom with the mouse. She's all happy. This is from an inside Amazon envelope that I just used it. I thought it's pretty. So this card I left I left just as is. I didn't use a paper clip or anything because it's easier to take out and journal on. I thought I did have a stamp set that I had bought at Joann's, and I see it's being sold somewhere else right now too, but mine is a huge stamp set, and they have a stamp magazine there at Joann's, and I think that sell for $22, but this is where I found my Coach. So I liked it. Here's a little butterfly with a black bead on the bottom, a rope, and the bee. Dyed bed sheet, fringed, more birds, the goldfinch gathering. I said this is great to give some explanation to it. Tissue paper. I stamped on the tissue paper, and this was left over what I had. A tag I made with tissue paper on top. It says the adventure is worthwhile, and there's a tuck space. Left it open, so it's nice to see books about this too. Again. And then I used the white in this book as well. There's more pieces that show a little bit of white background. Here is file folder. They move. And here's another white spot. But, you know, the oats is nature too. He wish he had his oatmeal. And this is from a bread bag. So there's a tag here behind him. Yo-yo. A rook card, number 2. And here we go. The leaves are coming up. Yeah, they stayed in, but they're untouched with words or a little heart or something. Here's another little white background of a tree. Flips up and you can journal behind it. So let's see. Here's the other white background. I think I found this in a magazine. I cut it out and included it in here. A herd of animals, and it's a belly band. So then we got another butterfly, and yeah, there's something to pull out. Some snow flowers. Forgot now what the name is. Butterfly on a circle on a glassine bag, and here's something else inside, and bingo card numbers. This is heavy fabric. I altered the key a bit, and I used a yellow Emmanuel bead sewn to fabric. 2 tags back here. Here on the rustic side was the rope, an envelope. Do I have something in there? Nope. And then this last piece, the feathers, just a note. And this is the nature journal. Thank you for coming by, and thank you for watching, friends. Stay healthy, stay well. See you soon. Bye.